Ladies and gents, Six Figs here from YouTube. In today's video, we're going to be talking very carefully about the markets, Nervos Network, and CKB. We'll get into the charts right at the end of the video. AJ from AJ writes, Crypto, what will the Fed do with the interest hike today? Pause, 25 points, 50 points. Let me know in the comments what you think it's going to do and why. And if you think that it was a good idea, they went the route they went, if you're seeing this after the fact. We got some battling going on right now. We got the one and only Matt.bit dropping some alpha on all of us. 1.4 billion Windows 10 and 11 users will soon be able to hold CKB non-custodially. Microsoft is working on a built-in crypto wallet for Microsoft Edge and ENS, and it comes integrated. So this is huge, but there was a troll, and looks like Matt took care of him. Nobody wants to hold CKB, Verge, Tron. I mean, you can see where CKB stands. It's among giants. It's just a sleeper coin, in my opinion. And really, when it comes down to it, the team isn't necessarily focused on trying to blow up PR about, just crap like you see from Solana or some other chain, Avalanche, to say the least. We got an absolute stone cold stunner from Nervos Network. They dropped us on our dime stacks, known as our necks. Congratulations to the Purist team on this exciting new update to the most feature-rich CKB mobile wallet. Looking forward to much more fun as we grow together. And for those of you that didn't know, CKB wallet was in the transition of getting their wallet approved by the App Store and the Play Store, and now it's official. Their wallet is live in both those stores. So think about the opportunities and the doors that have opened thanks to this team over at CKB. Now, users all over the world have the option to download the wallet to hold their CKB. Big shout out to them. That's crazy. This I thought was interesting. Around the blockchain, so caption this, and I just wanted to, this was a visual, and I thought it would be beneficial for people to at least see this. But way back in 2008, 2009, looks like we had Washington Mutual Bank fail. And you can see the trickle-down cascade effect this had on the banking system. And this was a really tough time back in 08, 09, especially for a lot of people like myself, which had graduated high school, earlier in the 2000s, and we were just getting out of college and met and slapped in the face with a complete depression. I know a lot of people that lost their jobs, including myself. But now we've got a very similar scenario, really, when it comes down to it, about $320 billion, so about $100 billion less. But there are two banks that are failed, or that have failed, and we'll see what the government does to try to bail these things out. But man, I just want you guys to know about this, to not get caught off guard if this wave is coming for us. We want to know when the tidal wave is coming, right? CKBoss.bit, I appreciate it, at Real Six Fig. Once again, right on the money with the CKB price action. We'll get into that in just a second. But if you're thirsty for more charts or you want to ask me questions, the place I hang out in between videos is my non-financial advice community, the Trade Tank. Make sure you're following me on Twitter at Real6Fig. And in the description, you will find this link, which will take you to Open Chat, which will then take you to the Trade Tank community, where we discuss charts, patterns, setups, crypto, stocks, forex, options trading, whatever. On to the markets, folks. On to the markets. Let's look at CKB. Nervos. Oh my gosh. Down 0.6% on the day, up 36.4% on the week. Now, folks, I've been warning you guys all about this ascending triangle. Last time I chipped in and made a video was back on the 19th, somewhere in here. And I was saying, watch out for this ascending triangle, folks, because this thing's about to get buck wild. But then I told you guys, I said, watch for March 20th, 8 a.m. Central Time for a reversal. It's tough to predict down to the hour when the price of an asset is going to reverse. But based off Fibonacci time sequence, we were able to get within an hour. That is exceptional. And to be fair, I said within 2 hours of either side of this time frame. So we nailed it. We absolutely killed it, folks. And that's why you should join the Trade Tank community, baby. Where is CKB going to go from here? Well, like I was kind of talking, we've got a lot of things hinging on this whole Fed thing right now. RSI's way up. It's in the overbought territory. However, on this 4-hour chart, we do have a nice golden cross. So the last time we got a nice golden cross, we went for a nice jog. But just because something golden crosses doesn't necessarily mean we are looking at a bullish scenario, because really, it can mean a reversal too. Even with death crosses, you can get a reversal. People might think, oh my God, a freaking death cross. We're going to be short in the hell from here. And then they get squeezed out of their positions because the price ends up going up. So next time sequence I want you all to be mindful of, Friday, March 23rd, 11 p.m. Central Time. And what's happening here is that on the charts, we've got this very nice inverse head and shoulders pattern. And really, we are seeing this price moon to the upside, which is great. So when we look at this here, we got some very interesting price structure. And I just want to kind of make some predictions. So right now, we're hinging on the Fed decision. If it comes out super bearish, no doubt we're going to see this thing come down. And my worries that we could see maybe some sort of head and shoulders pattern happen. We could see something like this occur if something bad happens with that. But if something good happens with that, we got pretty much some Elliott wave theory to the upside that might help carry us up to this 007 range. I do think that there could be this possibility that we see a little bit of a sideways trade over to this Fibonacci time sequence. Price action kind of far from this Ichimoku cloud at the moment. These are just my honest thoughts, folks. Again, we're going to have to do another video on this tomorrow after this whole Fed decision. But for now, that's my two predictions kind of on how things are going to play out at this point in time. So, folks, follow me on Twitter. Hit me up in the open chat, the Trade Tank community, open chat community, blah. And we'll see you guys all in the next video.